We will now walk through the solution to exercise 5-9, which involves us computing and using the degree of operating leverage. In this problem, Anilco Company installs home theater systems. The company's most recent monthly contribution format income statement is given on page 215. Part 1 asks us to compute the company's degree of operating leverage. If you look at this contribution margin income statement, you can see that sales revenue is $120,000. Variable cost $84,000. Contribution margin is $36,000. The degree of operating leverage is simply the contribution margin divided by net operating income. In this problem, contribution margin of $36,000 divided by net operating income of $12,000 gives you a degree of operating leverage of 3. That degree of operating leverage multiplied by a given change in sales revenue will give you the ultimate change in net operating income. So the answer to part 1 is 3.0. Part 2 says, using the degree of operating leverage, estimate the impact on net operating income of a 10% increase in sales. What we do here is we take the degree of operating leverage of 3.0, which was calculated in part 1, multiply it by the percent increase in sales of 10% to come up with an 30% increase in net operating income. So what this basically tells us is that given this company's 3.0 degree of operating leverage, if they were to have a 10% increase in sales, they would in result have a 30% increase in profits or net operating income. This does it for the solution to exercise 5-9, part 1 and 2.